Namaste, I am Krishna Raghavendran from 6C. I am going to show you how to make an AI tool or artificial intelligence tool. So to start with, you need to open your browser. So most of us know what Scratch is. It is a block-based coding language. So this can be used to make apps, programs, games, stories, etc. There's a similar software called Cognimates. So you can search it in Google and here it is. So it looks like Scratch, but it has more features to make AI or artificial intelligence. So first let's click on code and play. So here we have the Cognimates GUI. First to start with, let's delete this sprite. I'm going to browse for a new sprite. You can also upload your own sprite. I'll choose a sprite. So it is going to be this one, this robot called Sputnik. Now let me change the size of this to be 50. Now it's large enough. And now I'm going to browse for some backgrounds. So it's going to be a beach and then a bedroom and at last the moon. So we have 3 backgrounds and actually 4 including this white background. So this is going to be the default one. Now let's click on this sprite and now we are going to start coding. As you can see, we use blocks which is similar to Scratch. And you can also get some new blocks by going here. So these are some things for artificial intelligence. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see something called speech to text. We need this to make our project. Let's click here. And now we have got the set of blocks for speech to text. This will convert what we speak to text form, and then we can use that text to make this robot reply to us. So first, let's put when I hear hello, it should speak out and it should reply us by saying like Namaste, I am your AI assistant. So for that we are going to use something called text to speech. So this will convert the text which we type to speech. So it should speak back to us saying Namaste, I am your AI assistant. How can I help you? Good. So this means when I tell hello, it will reply back to us. So now let me put more. So when I hear beach, so when somebody says beach, it should not reply to us, but it will change the background to the beach picture which we browsed here. This one, Beach Rio. Now let's go to this robot, and when I hear beach, let's put changed. If you go to looks, you can see there is something called change backdrop. Yeah, here we have switch backdrop. So it should be switched to Beach Rio when we say beach, which is this one. So now let me just put the default background, which is the white background. Now let's click on the sprite. After we put this, let's put some other places. Now as you can see, I added 2 more places, which is the moon and bedroom, and then I changed the background to the moon, and then here I should put bedroom. Yeah. So now I put 3 places. You can put more of them, and you can also put more questions and sentences. So now before we test it, we need to include something called when the flag is clicked, it should start listening. Start listening. So when we click this, it will start listening, and then it will answer to our questions. Now let us test and see how if it is work. Hello.
Namaste, I am your AI assistant. How can I help you?
You can see it is replying back to us. Works. Now let me say some places. Beach, bedroom, moon, bedroom, bedroom, beach. You can see it works. So you can add more questions, more places, and you can make it more interactive. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.